Hey everyone, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite fitness spot. Let's be real, life is busy. Gym memberships, expensive, complicated routines, time-consuming, but what if I told you that you could start melting away stubborn belly fat right in your living room? No stress, no equipment, and no long hours at the gym. Today I'm giving you 10 simple, powerful moves that anyone can do at home to shrink that waistline and boost your confidence without the fuss. These exercises are beginner-friendly, quick, and super effective, and I'll guide you through each one step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete at-home strategy to start seeing results even if you're crazy busy. So grab a mat, a bottle of water, and let's dive in. Trust me, after today you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Ready to transform your core from the comfort of your own home? Let's get started, and don't forget to stay till the end for a quick bonus tip to double your results. Exercise 1. Standing twists. Alright, kicking things off with a super simple but powerful move, the standing twist. No mat needed, just stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Bring your hands up to chest level, elbows out. Now twist your torso side to side, keeping your hips stable and moving from your waist. Engage your core tight like you're wringing out a wet towel. This movement fires up your obliques, the muscles on the sides of your waist, and gets your heart rate up, which helps burn fat faster. The key here isn't speed, it's control. Feel every twist as you engage those abs, tightening with every rotation. Try 30 seconds slow and controlled, then 30 seconds a little faster to spike your heart rate. Pretend you're trying to elbow someone behind you, it'll help you twist farther and squeeze harder. This exercise is an awesome warm-up to get your blood flowing, wake up your core, and set the tone for a fat-burning session. Ready? Let's twist it out. Exercise 2. Standing knee to elbow crunch. This move is all about creating that mind-muscle connection with your abs while working your balance too. Stand tall, hands behind your head like a prisoner squat position. Now lift your right knee up toward your left elbow as you crunch your upper body down, then return and switch sides. Make sure you're actually crunching, don't just move your arms and legs. Tighten your core like you're bracing for a punch. You'll feel this one in your lower abs, your obliques, and even your hip flexors, all the muscles that help sculpt your waistline. Challenge yourself, try not to tap your foot to the ground between reps. This adds a balance challenge, forcing your core to work even harder. 30 reps total, 15 per side, is a great starting point. Remember, slow and controlled beats fast and sloppy every time. Keep breathing and keep pushing, you're doing amazing. Exercise 3. Reverse crunch. Now let's hit the floor for the reverse crunch, a total game changer for lower belly fat. Lie down flat on your back, hands by your sides. Lift your legs up so your knees are bent at 90 degrees. Now using your lower abs, curl your hips off the ground and bring your knees toward your chest, then lower slowly. Use momentum. Lift with control, squeeze at the top and lower back down slowly. This targets the lower part of your abs, an area that's notoriously stubborn for fat. You want to make it even harder, keep your legs straight instead of bent. Do 15 to 20 reps and focus on that powerful lift from your lower abs, not your legs swinging. Trust me, after a few rounds you're going to feel those deep muscles waking up. That's how you know you're making progress. Exercise 4. Standing side crunch. Time to work those side abs even more with the standing side crunch. Stand up tall, place your hands behind your head and widen your stance just a bit. Now lift your right knee up to the side while you crunch your right elbow down toward it. Think about squeezing your side like an accordion. This move sculpts the waist and hits your obliques hard without ever getting on the ground. Alternate sides, keeping your torso controlled, no leaning forward or backward. Easy to rush this, but slow, powerful crunches really fire up the muscles. Aim for 20 reps per side. Feel that squeeze every time you bring knee and elbow together. Bonus tip: engage your core the whole time like you're wearing a super tight belt around your waist. The more you engage, the better your results. Exercise 5. High knees. Alright, time to pick up the pace with high knees, the ultimate fat-burning move. Stand tall and start jogging in place, lifting your knees as high as possible, ideally up to hip height. Pump your arms to keep momentum. This exercise combines cardio and core work, meaning you'll burn more calories and engage your abs every time you drive your knees up. Keep your chest up and your core tight. Think about pulling your belly button in toward your spine. Don't lean back. Centered and powerful. Shoot for 30 to 40 seconds of high-intensity effort here. You'll feel your heart pounding, and that's what helps blast away belly fat. Push yourself even if you get tired, keep moving. Remember, progress is made outside your comfort zone. Exercise 6. Plank shoulder taps. Time to test your core stability with plank shoulder taps. Get into a high plank position, hands under shoulders, feet about hip width apart for balance. Now lift one hand off the ground and tap the opposite shoulder, keeping your hips steady, no rocking or swaying. This move strengthens your entire core, not just the abs but your back and shoulders too. The secret? Slow and steady. Control each tap without letting your body twist. Start with 20 taps total, 10 each side, and build up from there. Keep your glutes tight, your core braced, and your neck neutral. Breathe steadily and focus on balance over speed. This one sneaks up on you fast, but it's one of the best exercises for carving out real core strength. Exercise 7. Flutter kicks. Get ready to fire up your lower abs with flutter kicks. Lie flat on your back, hands tucked under your hips for support. Lift both legs a few inches off the ground and start kicking them up and down in small, quick movements. Keep your core tight the entire time, no arching your back. Imagine your legs are lightweight and fluttering like the wings of a butterfly. Small, sharp and controlled movements are the key. Shoot for 30 to 40 seconds, resting when absolutely necessary. This move attacks that hard-to-target lower belly fat zone while also working your hip flexors and thighs. Stay strong through the burn. The longer you hold good form, the better your results. Exercise 8. Standing oblique reach. Back on your feet for the standing oblique reach, a full-body waist slimming move. Stand tall with feet wider than hips. Reach your right hand overhead as you stretch to the left, feeling a deep side bend. Now pull yourself back to center using your core strength. Repeat on the other side. Focus on stretching long and crunching the side body as you pull back, alternate sides for about 30 reps total. You'll stretch and strengthen at the same time, a win-win for your waistline. Bonus, this move improves flexibility too, making your body feel leaner and more mobile. Keep that core tight and reach with purpose, no lazy arms. Exercise 9. Seated Russian twists. Now let's really carve those obliques with seated Russian twists. Sit down on the floor, knees bent, heels lightly touching the ground. Lean back slightly until you feel your abs engage, then clasp your hands together and twist from side to side. The farther you twist, the more you work those muscles. Want an extra challenge? Lift your feet off the floor. Do 20 to 30 controlled twists total, keeping your core tight and breathing steady. This move torches the side abs and strengthens your deep core muscles for a tighter, more defined midsection. Twist with control, not momentum, and you'll feel the difference after just a few sessions. Exercise 10. Standing march with twist. Last but not least, the standing march with twist. Think of it like marching in place, but with a strong core twist. Every time your knee comes up, lift your right knee and twist your torso to the right, then left knee to the left. This move combines cardio and core engagement, meaning it blasts fat and strengthens muscles at the same time. Keep it steady and powerful for about 60 seconds. Pump those arms, engage that core and twist with intention. This is a great finisher move to seal in all the work you've done today. Push yourself all the way to the end. You're stronger than you think. And there you have it, 10 easy, powerful ways to start reducing belly fat right at home. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Even just 10 or 15 minutes a day can add up to massive changes over time. So, make a commitment to yourself. Choose 2 or 3 of these exercises today and make them part of your routine this week. And hey, celebrate the small wins too. Every rep, every drop of sweat, and every ounce of effort brings you one step closer to your goals. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another at-home fitness boost. And if you want even faster results, check out the bonus workout linked below. It's designed to turbocharge your fat loss journey even more. I'd also love to hear in the comments which exercise was your favorite today. Which one challenged you the most? Your feedback keeps this community strong and growing. Thanks so much for showing up for yourself today. You're doing amazing. Until next time, stay strong, stay positive, and keep crushing those goals. See you in the next video.